permanently injured in a car wreck in 2011, and they cannot operate on me because it broke my back back up between my shoulders, and it's pinching my spinal cord. And what would be the value of something like that? Because I was making like $1,200 a week bring home. Now I'm permanently injured the rest of my life, losing my home and everything, and I was just wondering, you know.
Yeah, that's a tough situation.
Is there a limitation on the insurance about that, or what?
Okay, all
Those
right.
are all good questions.
Well, so much of it depends on who hit you, what are the facts of the case. I mean, was there, what lawyers call any heat in the case? Was the person drinking, or just why were you injured? That matters greatly in the value of the case. Now, your injury is very severe in terms of not only just for you, but from a legal standpoint. So with a permanent injury like that, you better hope and pray there's enough insurance. One thing you can do, if the person doesn't have insurance or has a small amount, $25,000, look at your own policy and make sure that you don't overlook that. You can stack your coverages. If you've got 2 or 3 cars insured, you add those numbers up and all of a sudden you've got to $75,000 or higher. So, but with an injury like yours, you've got to get to a lawyer. I mean, there's just no two ifs, ands, and buts about that.
You need to get some
Bob,
help.
you know, we've had 2 very serious injury cases, calls in a row. And for a case like that, you need vocational analysis.
Oh, yeah.
You need a functional capacity examination to see.
Explain what this is, though, you're talking about, because if he's hearing this lingo, he may be like, what now?
And without going too in depth with
Yeah.
it, you've got several areas of damages. He's got lost wages and future lost wages, which have to be proven.
What he was talking about, how much he was making and how much he
Absolutely.
can't make now.
Has to be proven through an expert. You also have functional capacity loss in your day-to-day life. You can't do things the way you used to do them or the way you maybe want to do them. And that's another kind of testing, another kind of expert. And you got to have a lawyer that knows that area of law.
Right, how to
And
handle
a
it.
lawyer that can afford to buy those experts because they're very expensive.
That is expensive
Okay.
stuff to have done.
All right.